Bags.
Hey gang, I'm Dr. Who. This is Accounting is a Joke, where accounting makes sense so you can make dollars. Today we're going to take a look at how to properly account for shrinkage at the end of the period. If you're unfamiliar with shrinkage, don't fret gang. I dropped the link to get you up to speed in no time. With that being said, let's get it. So, Jenna's furniture adjusted merchandise inventory account at year end for $69,000. The physical account of inventory came up with a total of $67,600. Journalize the adjusting entry needed for the shrinkage. So, this is an easy problem game. We are just making a journal entry for shrinkage. And when we're talking about shrinkage, we're talking about the missing of physical inventory at the end of a period. Sometimes it could be from lost or stolen situations from internally to externally. So, with that being said, we have to abide by one particular rule in terms of accounting for shrinkage. Anytime that you have shrinkage, you always adjust the inventory on a ledger based upon the physical hand count. So in this particular situation, we counted at the end of the period an amount that was shorter than what was actually on the books, which means that we need to adjust the books to that amount that we counted for. What amount? The $67,600. And since we already have $69,000 in inventory on the books, we need to reduce our inventory account by the difference. So if we subtract the $69,000 minus the $67,600, we're going to get the amount to account for, which is $1,400. So how do we adjust for it? Easy gang. We're going to record cost of goods sold, which is basically an expense for selling inventory, and we're going to credit merchandise inventory for the $1,400. We're going to check our answer, bags all day. So there you have it, gang. Easy breezy, right? I know it is. So now that you know how to adjust for shrinkage correctly, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and share the channel with your friends so they can get the bag too. As always, gang, I'm Dr. Who, and I love the time that you share with me. See you soon.
Bags.